Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to use a door script that I include in some of my products. This is an open source script. I didn't write it, so I don't offer support for it, but I wanted to make a video tutorial to show you how to use it. It's very simple. I like this script because it doesn't use an axis. It doesn't use rotation. It uses a prim as a reference, and it records position, an open and close position. And because of that, you can use it for a wide range of things. You can use it for drawers, you can use it for windows, doors, for pretty much anything, any object that you wanted to move on click. Okay, so if after watching the tutorial you still have questions about the script, all the instructions for the script are at the beginning. So you just double click and open it and you will find all the instructions here, including some information about the person who wrote the script. Okay, so for this example we're going to use this window right here. Like I say, the script works by recording an open and close position related to the prim that is linked to. That means that the moving object cannot be the root prim. So this is something that very important that you have to keep in mind. You have to link the moving object to anything, any other prim you want. You can link it to one prim, to two prims, to a whole bunch of prims, a whole house if you want, if the space allows you to do it. So in this example, I'm gonna use this window as a root prim. So this is gonna be my moving object, and this is gonna be the root prim. Okay, now it's linked, and you can see that the window is highlighted in yellow, and the moving prim, which is this little window in the center, is highlighted in blue. Okay, after you linked it, you have to select this option in the editing window. This allows you to select a prim that is linked. So I click on the window, I'm just selecting the moving object, which is the window in the center. Then I go to the Content tab, and there I'm gonna put my door script. After that, I go to a local chat and type, since it's in the closed position, I'm gonna type door close, close, and you will hear that. Then I need to put the window in the opening position, something like this. Then you type on local door open, and you will hear it. And that's it. Now, the script comes with that sound, and it also gives you a message on local. But you can get rid of the sound and you can get rid of the message on local by editing the script. You can find instructions to do so here, but I'm gonna show you how I fix it. Not exactly doing that, but just by coding out the part of the script that executes the sounds and the messaging. So on line 217, Go to line 217 on the script. It's right here. You need to code out all these. You need to comment it out, this, and this, and this, and this. Oh, this is already commented out here, but anyways, that's how I fix it. You can fix it by following the instructions here. You can get rid of that doing this way, or you can just comment it out like I did. It's up to you how you want to do it. Okay, I hope you enjoyed the tutorial, and thanks for buying my products, and I will see you later. Thank you.